There we go. Check. Hello? Can you hear me? Oh my god. So, hi guys, before I start our meetings today, I just want to tell QC that I am in recovery period, so maybe my audio is little to hear. I just want to say sorry for that. Second one is for my warming up, maybe I will not do something like games or yeah, introduction is needed, but I want do something like games and the other physical things. So I will kind of introduce my student what will he learns in this lesson. I think that's my hello.
Halo Kak, permisi.
Hi. So come on, you can open your camera.
Ya,
Okay, so first I wanna say I'm so sorry, Hugo. That's
yep,
your nickname.
yes, it is.
Okay. I'm so sorry, maybe my audio is not really nice for today because I'm still in recovery period. So yeah,
Ah, ya,
sorry
sih.
for that. So before we start your lesson today, how about introduction first?
Sure.
Are you using phone? Mobile
Yeah,
phone, I mean? Oh, okay. If you want to make it maximize, you can. Uh,
Oh, yeah.
yeah, did. Uh-huh. It's bad.
Yeah.
Okay, Hugo, I will start the conversation. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So first, yeah, you can see my display name. That's also my complete name. My name is Hazali Farabi.
Oh, okay.
And then, in short, my students calls me Mr. Abi or Mr. Farabi, or you can call me Abi. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm from Lombok. You know Lombok?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my original village. But I am graduated from IPB University.
Hmm.
Uh, My major is math, and the specialization is, I mean, my specialization is computers. So,
Oh,
yeah, mathematical computation. That's my specialization.
okay.
What else do you want to know about me, Hugo?
How long have you been studying computer, you know?
It's kind of 3 until 4 years, I guess.
3 to 4 years. And can I ask how old are you?
Oh, yeah, sure. Could you guess?
Uh, I'm guessing 20 or 19.
No, no, no. I'm 24, exactly.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's pretty young. So
Oh,
you've
yeah.
been,
Yeah, yeah. I feel, yeah, yeah, I understand that expression. Yeah. My hobbies, maybe, I want to say my hobbies is reading,
oh,
and it's not really reading. I mean, I like also to code. That's why
oh,
my specialization in math is computation. This is my book that I am reading for now.
oh.
So, how about you, Hugo?
Uh,
Could you introduce yourself?
yeah, okay. My name is Sebastian Hugo. People call me
Mm-hmm.
Hugo.
Mm-hmm.
I'm 17 years old and
Mm-hmm.
I'm studying currently at St. Aloysius Bandung at
Oh,
Sultan Agung.
that's great.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh wait, somebody's calling me. Sorry, my sister came
It's
by.
okay. Okay, it's okay.
I
What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing games and
Oh,
watching movies probably.
oh, that's good. So, uh, are you at senior high school,
Hmm?
Hugo?
Yeah, I'm at senior high school. Yeah.
Okay, and then what's your grade?
I'm 12th grade.
Oh, okay. So, I'm here. Kelas, udah kelas.
Okay, I'm back. Yeah,
Are you
so
okay?
I'm fine. My sister just came to Bandung and she kind of need guidance, but currently having something right now, so I can't.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. What, what, what else that you wanna tell?
Uh, that's it. Yes, I don't
That's
really know what to tell anymore about myself.
okay. Then should we start your lesson? Could we?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
Uh,
So, uh, okay. I just wanna say first is welcome to Ergonova, and then at the course Python Pro programming, and then
uh-huh.
for the first year. Before we start to the actually lesson, I mean the actual lesson, I wanna introduce to you what will you learn. Okay, Hugo?
Okay.
Okay, so we have 7 modules in total, and then in each module consists of 4 lessons. Okay, and
Mm,
then the first module, this is something that you will learn. The first lesson, we will introduce what is Python, and then in the second module, you will learn about variables and strings, and then you will learn about how to solve a problem with coding, of course. And
mm,
then in the second module, we will deep dive with this is the heart of algorithm, I guess. So you will know about conditional statement or operator, nested conditional statement, and then what is loops, and then what is for loop, or in this case, we call it as a continuation of loop. And then
mm,
in module 3, you will learn about how to create your own function. That's why the first lesson in this module is function itself, and then how you can nest it a function, and then how you can create a module, and then this should be the first hackathon for you. So you will create your own project using what some things that you have been learned in module 2 and module 3. We call
okay.
it as a hackathon. In module 4, you learn about data structure, consists of list, tuple, and then dictionary, and then nested, all of them. And again, this is the second project that you should create later. Okay. And then the last of the theoretical aspect in programming is you learn about object-oriented programming, which is this is the hardest part, I guess, in
Oh,
programming. And then you learn about classes, inheritance, and then we'll create your first game. And then the game title is Pass Clicker Game. Okay.
uh, yeah.
And then in module 6, you will create your second game, which is this game use uh complex library. So yeah, we need to use a professional environment. That's why in this lesson, first you need to install the professional development, professional IDE, and then we will create your game. And then the game is just labyrinth, but it's a simple game, but behind that game, it's a really complicated codes on there. So yeah,
Mm,
you must be patient. And then lastly, you'll create your first application with PYQT. So we will create in 3 lessons, because in the last lesson, we will talk about how we can style your application using set style sheet later. And then after that, after all of the stuff is finished, so you will graduate from Python Pro first year. It means
uh,
that you will present all of the projects that you have been created from the third module until the seventh module. Okay,
okay.
that's all. Hugo, do you have question?
So the final test is from the third to seventh.
Yes, but not like that actually. I mean, you can choose two.
Oh,
Yeah, two from 3, 4, 5, and 6 and 7. Two from 5.
okay.
So two projects should be presented to us. That's the rule.
All right.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Anything else? Oh yeah, our lesson. I sorry, I forgot to tell you that our lesson consists of 32 lessons. So this is 31 lessons for the theory, and then first 1 lesson for your graduation.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else, Hugo?
I might have a question about my sign in, my login info.
Oh
I
yeah, 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 yeah. I think. Let me help you. A moment, please. There we go. Over the chat. Here we go.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Wait, let me log in.
Okay.
Oh, what? Not found. Okay. Ready.
Three. Okay. So the rules of when we do the learning, I mean, so the rule is I will explain to the theoretical aspect first, and then we go to the platform, and then go do the practical things. Like I will explain to you what will be the output of this code, and you will ask me, and then you return to share your screen, and then we will solve the question together. But I will, you know, let you first to do that. Okay? I'm so sorry. You're still mute. I
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm on my phone, so I don't think I can share screen. Except that
oh yeah.
should I
So
just join from my computer as well?
well, if you could do that, I'll
Okay.
appreciate that.
Hmm. Okay.
What is your major, Hugo?
Your what?
Major in your senior high school?
My major?
Yes,
Oh, science.
science.
Science A, IPA.
Oh, have you learned about computer?
We have, but oh, wait, let me just. We have, but like it's with Pascal and it's very basic.
Oh yeah, I know that language. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first I want to introduce to you with Python,
Okay.
and again I want to say congratulations and welcome to this course, this nice course at Algonova. Today we will find out why we need to learn Python or we need to program with Python, and then we will learn the capabilities of our platform, online platform, and then you will write your first program, of course. Okay, so this is the reason why we need to use Python as our language programming. So Python is the most widely used programming language in the world. This is not, I mean, this is not from me. This is from IEEE Spectrum Rating or Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. So Python is the most widely used. That's the first one. The second one is Python is the easiest language programming to learn. So if you are kind of beginner or newbie. So I recommend you to learn Python if you want to deep dive into programming or computer science.
Hmm.
And then the third is Python is, the easiest language programming, I guess. But it can create many, many things. Just like, you know, this is kind of uh, big company, and this company use Python to write their codes. I mean, not only Python, but Python it's also they are using to develop their program. Like Google, IBM, Intel, EBA, and YouTube. Maybe you know about IBM. This is the nice company. I mean, I don't know what is this specific company, but this is nice company. Okay, and Python also can be used to create game logic, and then this is the game that using Python in its their logics. The Sims 4, World of Tanks, EV Online, and the Civilization 4, and then many more. Okay,
Hmm.
okay. What else? So this is the nice thing also about Python. With Python, you can create your or automate your routine process like handling and analyzing message. This is my specialization. And then automatic report generation and big calculation and many, many more with Python. Okay, that's all. I mean, that's the reason that why do we need to learn Python or use Python in our programming course. Okay? Do
Mm.
you have question, Hugo?
I'm kind of surprised. I thought people use Java more than
Oh,
Python.
oh, you know Java. Wow.
I
This,
thought it was like Java is more secure and fast, but
oh,
Python is like easy and user friendly. I thought it was like,
yeah. Yeah. You're right about it. So Java is secure. You're right about it. And then I highly recommend you if you wanna concern in software engineer career,
mm,
so you can choose not only Python as your language programming, but I recommend you to learn Java also because Java is great language programming if you want to be software engineer.
okay.
Okay. Okay, so before we go to the practical things, have you heard about this stuff, Hugo? Algorithm, programming language, and program.
Algorithm is like a set of rules,
You,
I think.
okay, that's good. And then programming language.
It's the language to make a program.
Okay, that's great. I like that. What is program?
Uh, well, it's many interpretation, but I like it. Like program is software, right? And it's just a line of code running.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
Appreciate that. You're right about it. Okay. So I think I do not need to explain to you about algorithm and then language programming.
Mm.
Okay. But the things that we should know when we are using Python is we have rules here, Hugo. So the first rule is we call it as the start rule. And then this is the description. The first comment of the program should be written at the very beginning of the line. And then the rule of order. So comments are executed in order if they are written exactly under each other. And rule of code design. Well, I prefer to use a sensitive case in here because in Python you cannot change lowercase letter to uppercase letter. A random character, even a space or comma, can disrupt the program. I mean, if you write something like this, oops, excuse me, I want to change it. Hugo
Yeah.
and Hugo, this is different. Okay, so
Mm.
that's why Python is really case sensitive. So this is in here the H is uppercase and then in here it's lowercase. So this is not same. Or in Python we can say not equal. Okay, I think that's the rule. And then I think that's all about the first part. Do you have question, Hugo?
No, I don't have questions. No.
Okay, now I will give you a link. Let me hold on. Okay, so this is the link. I mean the link for logging to your account. And then
Uh,
this is the preview or the page that you will see. Okay, I will introduce all of this stuff, Hugo. So the first is the main. This is kind of the dashboard we have
uh,
in Algonova.
I
And
cannot see
then,
that.
okay. Oh, you have known all of that? All of this stuff? Oh,
No,
excuse
no.
me. Oh,
Yeah,
my
yeah,
screen is paused. Excuse me for that.
yeah.
Okay. So the first tab is the main, or we can say this is the dashboard
Mm.
at our platform. And then the second tab is we call it as a course. And then this is consists of the module that you will learn in your course, of course, Python Pro.
Uh-huh.
And then online lesson, well, if I later uh do not send you a link to your course. You can hit this online lesson. So this is will guide you to our link into our class. Okay,
Oh, okay.
and then the community. So at the community section, you can see all of the projects that Algonopus student have been created. Okay, and
Mm,
then you can also use filter here to see maybe if you want to just see Python project. So you can hit this button and then yeah, this is all of the project using Python. And then at laboratory, this is a lab that you can use to create your project. And I'll explain to you this step later, I mean in detail, in lesson 12, I guess. Okay?
okay.
And then entertainment center, this is just for competition. So if you are interested, you can participate in one of them. Okay. Now we will focus on the course and then we are at module one or the first module and lesson one. And then yeah, in each lesson, it consists of two parts. And we have done with first part, and then this is the kind of the evaluation section of the first part. Hit this button, Hugo, lesson
Yeah.
one and number
Uh,
one, and then you will see kind of question about the theoretical things that I have been explained.
hmm.
Okay, so yeah, I have done with this. Okay, let me re-explain that. Mark the scope of Python, there may be more than one correct answer. So programming game logic, yes, you can use Python to create your game logic, and
Mm-hmm.
then robotics programming, that's also right. And then create internet application. Yes, you will learn about this in Python Pro second year. You will create your internet application, and then that's really nice internet application. And then automation of routine process, exactly right. This is my specialization. We call it as a machine learning actually. And then building websites. This is also you will create with Python in Python Pro second year.
Ah, yeah.
Okay, so all of the stuff is right. And then this is the number two that, yeah, about the rules when you program with Python. So that start rule of order and rule of code design. You just need to yeah, match the roles and its
Oh,
description.
yeah.
You got it?
Okay, yeah.
Okay. And then number three, yeah, this is will measure how what is your typing speed. And then I just want to know about your typing speed right now. So I think your turn to share your screen. Could you?
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay, wait a second.
Mm-hmm.
Now my charger is in the way.
Okay.
Wait. Okay, I start now.
Uh-huh.
If I can. Can I? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. As expected. You're not the beginner, I guess.
Uh,
Wow.
wait, what? I can.
This is great, Hugo. Wow, 257. Wow, that's great.
Uh, oh, another one.
Yeah.
Done. Oh,
Oh my God. 328 symbols per minute. Continue. So, what are you playing, Hugo? I mean,
mm,
the game.
this.
What do you play?
Oh, game.
Yeah.
Valorant.
Oh, that's
Minecraft.
cool.
Yeah,
So,
basic stuff.
oh yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. You can continue.
Another one. Oh, I cannot. Oh, wait, what? I missed that. Ah, oh, it is right. What? I thought red is wrong. Yeah, okay. Oh,
Okay, how about this, Hugo? Check the correct statements about algorithms.
does not know how to guess or fantasize.
Exactly right. That's
Uh,
right.
yeah, that's right. He
Mhm.
he does know. Only a special program can be the algorithm executor.
Not really.
I don't think, yeah.
Hmm.
Probably, yeah. It's a sequence of action aimed at achieving goals. Must be written in. I don't think this is true from
Yes,
school.
you're right. You're right.
Algorithm
But,
and program are the same thing.
uh,
No.
okay.
Is it? No. Operation are performed strictly in the specified order. I guess.
Hmm.
Is it true? Oh,
So I wanna ask you, what's the difference between algorithm and program?
algorithm is like the way you execute it, and the program is how you translate it to data or like the
Wow,
become program.
great explanation. I like that. Okay, you can continue. Wow, this is nice.
Oh, another one. True. Oh wait, that's oh
The S should be uppercase, I guess.
yeah.
You have to go back.
Ah,
Yeah, the S should be uppercase.
oh yeah. Oh, why did I like that? That's basic. Ah, what? Oh, eh,
That's great, Hugo. Uh-huh. So in this case, you need to uh checklist the empty box on there, on the left, and
monster.
submit. I'll explain to you later. Submit. Okay, and the next level, and then
Oh,
the program prints the word indicate. Uh-huh. The first one is right, second is wrong, and
and it's used to print words.
exactly.
Program. I guess it.
Okay. Okay, that's
Oh,
great. Okay. You can stop your screen. Let me explain to you about the second part.
oh, okay. Oh, sure.
Okay, so who do you see, Hugo?
Hmm.
Okay,
Yep.
so now let's talk about functions and arguments. Okay. Okay, so the first function that you will learn is print function, but I will explain to you about what is function actually in programming. So maybe you have heard about function in math. Have you,
Yeah.
Hugo? What is that?
It's like uh well, there's a domain and a code.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Yeah, I'm a mathematician, so I understand about it. So that's almost same, Hugo. So in math, maybe you will have something like this. Fx is equal to, let's say, the function is x squared like this. So in programming, it's almost same. But because we will write this stuff in using language programming. So it's a little different, but the concept is almost same. And then in formally speaking, a function is an algorithm composed in programming language, or you can say program that has a unique name and task. Okay?
Hmm.
So this is just a program, and this program should has a name and task. That's a function. Now, the first function that you will learn is we call it as a print function. And then this is a ready-made function, and this is for printing arguments specified in its parentheses. And then this is the example of that. So if you say print hello hackers, so on your output space you will see something like this. And
Hmm.
then print, it should be comma here, hello comma hackers. So comma basically will produce a space for you. And then if you put the comma between these parentheses, so it will print all of the stuff. I mean like this. Hello, comma. Let's say we have comma inside the word hello and hackers. So it
Mm-hmm.
should be comma in here also.
Ah.
Okay. And then about number, I mean, when you print number using print function, so you do not need to use you do not need to use quotation mark, because number can use quotation mark, or you can, I mean, you do not need to use that also. Okay, depends on you. And remember, this is the example. If I want to say print 1 comma 4, and then the output will be 1 space 4, remember that comma will produce a space. Okay,
Hmm.
okay,
Okay.
okay. And then you can also perform mathematical calculation with print function. And then for multiplication, you can use this asterisk or the star, and then addition, subtraction, and then quotient or division. And then something that really, really needed is we call it as a modulo. You know modulo, Hugo?
Yeah.
Yeah. So percent sign basically means and as a modulo or reminder of division. This is the the English statement. I don't know what is that exactly. But this is when you see something like this, it means that 14 mod 2 in Indonesia 14 sisa 14 dibagi 2 sisa berapa? Like that. Okay?
Hmm.
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
And then double slash like this. We call it as the integer part of the division, or this operation will have an output like should be integer or bilangan bulat. And then if you want to perform perpangkatan or power or exponential, you can use double star or
Okay.
double asterisk. Okay, I think that's all. Now let me explain to you with practical things. Go to this section, Hugo,
Yeah.
and then let me perform all of the stuff. First, this area or this space, we call it as a workspace, Hugo. Okay?
Hmm.
And then this space, we call it as a output space. It means that should be the place when you want to create your code. And then if you want to see the output of your code, you have to see it in here. Okay, okay?
Okay.
And then we'll talk about all of this button later, but I just want to talk about this button right now. In this button, so this button will, yeah, change the theme of yours. And then day mode and night mode. We have just two themes in here. Okay? And then this button in the output space, this is for running your program. So if you have done with the program, you can run your program by hitting this bad button. And then this button used for validating your program. Is that right or wrong? Okay? I mean, this is the question that you have been that you have to answer later, Hugo. I mean, this is the
Mm.
description, and then this is the picture or the example of the program should be. And then if you finish with the program, you can hit this button to validate that. Are you right or wrong? Like that.
Mm.
Okay. Now,
Okay.
let me explain to you about this instruction first. So we need to write a program that outputs a greeting to the world. And then this is the program will look like. Using print function, you just need to say print like this, Hugo,
Mm-hmm.
parentheses, quotation mark. You can use double quotation or single quotation. There is no difference. Okay? Depends on you. But I prefer to use single quotation. And then you need to say exactly same with the instructions. Hello, comma, world, exclamation bar. Hello, comma, world, like this. Excuse me, like this. And then if you run your code, you just need to click this button, and then it will, yeah, display hello, comma, world. And then this is for validating your code. I mean, if you hit this button, so it will, yeah, if you write, it will be green like this. But if you're wrong, it's not green like that.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you have question, Hugo?
Probably with the what's the difference between a space inside the parentheses and comma in the parentheses? It's like
Or like this print. Uh, did
quotation.
you mean like this, Hugo? And then like this, or
Yeah, it's like that. And with the space in the hello world, like similar, isn't it? Or is it different?
like this. Hello, Hugo. Excuse me, Hugo. Oops. I wanna say hello and then Hugo. Like this.
Yeah.
So if you do something like this, it means that you give the print function two parameters. This is the first parameter, and then this is the second one. And if you want to do something like that, you need to separate them with comma. Because if you do not spread them with comma, this will produce an error. Uh-huh. Excuse me for that.
Mm.
This is not error. I'm not sure because this is not number. Yeah, this is will combine your string. We call it as a string or word. We'll talk about string later in lesson 3. Okay, Hugo? So if you wanna do like hello Hugo, I mean with space, so you can use something like this. Or if you wanna make the hello word is different, I mean has its own place like this, you can do also. Hello Hugo.
It gives the same output, but what's the difference for what it's used for? Like
Oh,
if it's just like that, you can just use a space bar and it'll be done faster, you know?
uh I mean you mean like this without comma?
No, I mean like without the quotation mark at all. Like just use a space bar. It would give like the same result.
Like this?
Yeah.
Well, sometimes we need to create it with something like this, but many cases that you will face on future. So sometimes we need this form, and sometimes we need to use this form also. My name, that's my name, like this, Hugo. Okay, so
Mhm.
this will produce the same thing. But it's that your question, or
Yeah, like if the output is the same, why don't you just use a space bar? Like you don't have to separate the parameter at all.
oh
Just use space bar and then you'll get the same thing. Like
oh yeah.
that other use, except for adding another space bar and dividing. What does the parameter like different parameter gives?
Oh yeah, yeah. Well, you will see what is the advantage of this form, and then you will also use the other form, I mean letter, when you paste with the other case. Okay?
Ah, okay.
But if you think this is more efficient, well, you can do that.
Okay, okay.
And then something that I want to explain to you is this is how you can perform uh mathematical operation. Let's say I want to multiply 120 with 321. So you just need to say something like this. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
brain.
It will.
And
Yeah.
then you can combine a word. So I mean, you can add additional statement like I want I want to calculate 120 and 321, and I got uh-huh. So if you have different data types, so this is basically a sentence. The data type is different with a number, Hugo.
Hmm.
And if you have something like this, you should separate them with a comma, because if you don't do that, so it will produce an error like this.
Ah,
So you need to do something like this, and then it will say, I want to calculate 100, and I got blah blah blah, like that.
you don't need a space bar after the comma.
Well, you can add that, but this is basically there is no meaning in the output. Okay,
Ah,
I
I see.
mean, yeah, it's just when you prefer to use comma. I prefer to use comma because it's kind of uh better to see. Okay,
Yeah.
so but if you do something like that, that's also fine
Ah,
for
okay.
the out. Okay, I think that's all. Now your turn to try. Come on, Hugo.
Okay. I just mark the variant code with no error.
Okay.
Uh, this is a sentence, right? But
Yeah,
it
that
should be
should
the
that's
same.
that's right.
Oh, wait, what?
There may be more than one correct answer.
Oh,
What's wrong with the first one, Hugo?
it doesn't have parentheses.
Exactly. How about the second one?
Yeah, it has two parentheses inside.
Yeah, but the main thing is it doesn't have quotation mark.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't
So,
have quotation mark too. Second one doesn't have, the fourth one doesn't have quotation mark
mm-hmm,
also. Oh, this one
mm-hmm.
can.
Yeah,
Just
you're
different
right.
numbers.
Boom.
All right.
Okay, that's great, Hugo.
Oh, another one of these. I have to. Oh, wait, what?
I'm so sorry, Hugo. My voice is not really nice today.
Ah, it's fine. What, 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 what is going on with this? Ah, okay. I have to space. Wait, what? Oh, oh, where is it? Okay. Then what is this? The program talks about
Okay, you just need to fix the box. What's wrong?
this.
Mm-hmm.
It's
You're
no
right.
notation one.
And then the second one.
Doesn't have parentheses and quotation marks. Nothing.
And then the P should be up lowercase, Hugo.
P. Oh, the friend. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, everything's set up.
How do you check? Oh, okay.
Boom. That's great. Uh-huh. How about now?
Fix the bug. What is
You
it?
just need to make it align it.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Like
Oh,
that.
this only worked for an elf, right?
Mm-hmm. So you look like familiar with coding, Hugo.
Uh, I have
Mm-hmm.
a bit of experience in Arduino and
Oh,
kind of cheating in a game. I could once,
that's
but
great.
yeah, well, I copy all of that from GitHub probably usually. Yeah, I just copy
Oh,
other people's coding and use it for myself.
you know GitHub?
Yeah, it's basically where you go if you don't know what to do in code.
Wow.
You just copy off other people.
Yeah, that's why the GitHub uh exists, right?
Yeah, to share for the program.
Yeah. You can also share your own.
Oh yeah, but I'm not much help. I'm not much help in coding for other people because I'm not really good at it. Total amount of
Okay.
the salary.
How about now, Hugo? It's a simple math. What will you do?
The total amount. So they get this much. Oh, so yeah. Yes. Huh. How is there a quotation mark there?
Yeah, in this case, when you have quotation inside quotation, so
They just add double or something.
exactly right.
Okay. And salaries.
It's
Oh,
like that, by the way.
oh,
So
so it's
let's
like
use double quotation for the
yeah, isn't it like this? Like that, but it's not red.
that's great idea, by the way.
How old those? Hmm. Still not going anywhere.
I'm so sorry. I forgot to explain to you about double
Huh.
quotation. So if you uh pay something like this in future, Hugo, I mean my name is Hugo
Mm-hmm.
and print my name's Hugo. It's same, right? Oops, excuse me.
Yeah.
Hugo. So it's pretty same, right, Hugo?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh. So if you add the quotation here, yeah, it will be error. Why? Because this is a special format in English. So
Ah,
in this case, you need to use double quotation like this.
oh, I see.
You see? Okay,
It's
you can continue.
so I just need to wait, this time. What was the how do you see again? Oh,
The right one. Okay. How many employees?
12.
12, exactly. Wow. Nice math.
Oh
You
wait.
can remove that. Okay, very nice.
Oh wait, what? I need to
Don't.
speak.
Oh yeah, the colon should be inside the quotation also, Hugo.
The what?
No, the colon titik duanya.
This
Yeah, it should be inside the quotation. I
inside.
mean, yeah, beep beep. So I mean, I mean like this.
Okay.
Excuse me, Hugo. Like this. Uh-huh.
Oh,
And then because this is a statement or sentence and this is a number,
you need a
that's
comma
yes, exactly right.
like this.
Mm-hmm.
Then times. Yeah. Ah,
Awesome. Oh,
okay. What? This is
go on.
20. So
It's 20 times 1024.
it,
So,
it's yeah,
yeah,
like this.
okay. How about now, Hugo?
Have to. All right. Ah. Hmm.
Don't forget the colon.
The column. I thought
Colon.
to do this. It's like under there, right?
Yeah, you're right.
It's 85,000. Can you do
You do not need to use. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's right.
85,000 times 50%, times 10%?
Mm-hmm.
So times 10. And can you do this?
No, that's modulo. So
And
10% means 0 point
0.01.
exact. Are you sure?
It's oh wait, 0.1.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, it's not right. Hmm.
But you forgot the comma. Excuse me, the colon. After the price. After the word price. It should be titik dua, right?
Oh, like that?
Hmm.
Still not.
Hold on. 10
$85,000.
percent is the price increase.
Oh, so
So you need
110.
to
So 10. Oh wait.
no, that's right. 0.1, that's right. I mean, this is the additional price, right?
So plus
Yes, exactly. Plus the original price.
85,000.
Exactly right.
Oh, all right. Should be allocated. What? Okay. Allocated. What is this? Employment Development Department has sent a request for the purchase of computers and their components. How the calculate how much company needs to allocate the budget style. So 5 times 490 and plus.
Exactly. Wow,
It's like this and then plus.
you're good in math. That's
Well,
great.
it's I fail every math test, honestly.
Wow,
3 times 21830 plus 11 times 411 plus did I leave a few burger? Yeah, I think I did. 6, 3, 11. How about this? Hmm.
The statement.
Oh,
That's not right.
it is.
Because the auto review is quite sensitive.
Okay.
Okay, how about this one? This is a little quite challenging, Hugo.
Yeah.
But let's see, what will you do?
Uh, the storage can contain, comma, oh wait, comma,
Comma
comma.
again. Files, right?
So inside of this is the math equation, right?
Exactly.
And there's that files. How
And
about
then write down
uh,
there will be.
there there will oh wait, got this. Gigs left.
All right.
20 files for storing. The size of one file is 256. Holy crap. The storage cannot contain all the data. How many files can be put in the storage? How much free space will be left? Hmm?
So you have
Oh, you have
5,000.
5,000. Okay.
Yeah, you're right.
The
And
memory
then
accounts for 20 files
you
of
have 20 files, which is in each file contains 256
256.
gigabytes.
The storage cannot contain, so how much left?
Mm-hmm.
So the storage can contain how much this times this and berapa giga? 20 5,000 lebih berarti. 19?
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Wow, nice guessing, by the way.
I don't even know. Like 20 is too much, but not much by a lot. But I can't count it. So berarti uh
So how would you do that?
I would
Well, the
I
the,
just
the,
can
the the basic math is 5,000 divided by 256, right?
yeah.
Uh-huh.
The vision is slash, right? This
That's 500.
oh yeah, 5,000 slash
Okay.
250
200. Mm-hmm. And then the rest is you just need to create subtraction 5,000 minus that
minus
result,
yeah.
right?
So I just have to run the program first.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, what?
Let's put a one for the second one. I mean for the second line, Hugo. Let's
Oh,
put one. Yeah,
one.
to make it.
19
Wow.
point. Oh my God, it's not. Okay.
But it's not that's not make sense, right, Hugo? Because the file it's not a decimal number.
Oh, so you use the integer.
Exactly. And
I,
then to yeah,
I forgot how to use the integer.
the double slash. So 5,000.
Oh, slash K.
No, no, no. 5,000 double slash.
Yes.
Like that.
Oh
So it
yeah.
will produce, okay, this should be integer number as the result.
19 minus how many? 5,000. I
That's
combine.
yeah. And
I'll get minus 136.
you can hit the checklist, but
Oh, yeah.
wow. Okay, Ogo, congratulations for your first lesson. I think
Hey.
that's enough, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you can stop your screen and then let me take a recap for this meeting. So today you have learned about what is Python itself, Hugo, and
Mm-hmm.
then what is algorithm, and what is language programming and program itself. Okay, and then something that also you have learned is how you can do the mathematical uh, formulation using print function. And then you also have learned about what is function. Now I want to ask you, Hugo, again, what do you know about algorithm and program?
What do I know about algorithm and program?
Mm-hmm.
Algorithm is the rules, like to make a program basically. The you have to make an algorithm first to get the logic, and then make the program to try to run
Exactly.
the algorithm.
Okay, how about language programming?
It's some kind of language to be used in a program.
To create a program
Okay.
like that. Okay?
Okay.
That's a great explanation. I mean, I like that explanation. This is the first time I see my students explain it with their own language, and this is great, Hugo. I like you. Okay?
Thank you.
And how about could you tell me the rules of to create code with Python? Three
The,
rules.
the three rules, like the
Mm-hmm.
start rule, you have to
Mm-hmm.
basically put every command or
Exactly right.
every command at the top,
Okay, you're right about that.
and
And
then
then
the
the
rule of
last,
order.
that should be the second, okay?
Yeah, it's the second one. The
Okay,
rule of order.
okay, you're right. And then the last one,
Last one is
well,
oh yeah. The last one is the rule of basically making everything neat.
exactly right. I like that. And then lastly, what is function, Hugo? And then what function that you have been learned today?
Function is like a command to do something, basically.
Okay,
And the function that I learned today is print.
exactly right. Okay, thank you so much for your attention today, Hugo. And I really appreciate your agileness, and I like your how you create your own definition. I like that. Wow. And then I just want to say sorry again because my voice is not really normal right now.
It's fine.
Right. And thank you for your kindness. Okay. And then yeah, I think that's all. Do you have question, Hugo?
Mm, no, I don't have a question now.
What do you think about your lesson for today?
It,
Easy, medium, or hard?
it's
Easy.
probably yeah. It's not that hard now.
Okay. Okay. I think that's all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Okay.
Okay.
Bye bye, Hugo.
Okay. Bye bye. Thank you.
Okay.